our agent needs to ensure that the pole is standing and it doesn't go out of view. This should be done within 500 time steps, and the policy needs to be updated accordingly. So in the next slide, we have shown the flowchart of how this program would be possible in an open AI gym environment. So first we start by initializing the environment using gym.make command. Then we have to reset the environment so that the pole is standing, it is vertical, and the cart is at the center of our environment. Then, as I said before, the input 0 makes the cart push to left side, and input 1 pulls it towards the right. This is our action space, a learned policy for our agent. Then after this action has been applied, the cart and the pole positions are updated and we get information about the next step. This next step would contain the reward and also a Boolean flag that tells us, or that tells the agent, if the time steps of 500 have been completed. So if the time steps are not 500 yet, then it needs to loop around and do the same action again and again. But after the episode is done, then we get the total reward, and which we can use to update the agent's policy. Now our agent is ready for the next episode, and the process goes on. The simulation goes on for the number of episodes that we set, or it also depends on the environment that and the programming of the agent. Now about the future work, the white paper of this OpenAI Gym mentioned the future work as wanting to integrate multiple agents into a single environment so that they can compete with each other using adversarial reinforcement learning, or even learn from each other, that is imitation learning. So there is less number of multi-agent environments right now. We have just one, the StarCraft 2. Then another one would be to have curriculum or transfer learning to integrate the real world robots, and which can also be taught using imitation learning. So Gym Retro was a platform that was implemented in 2018. It uses imitation learning and adversarial reinforcement learning in multi-agent scenarios so that the learning effectiveness can be improved. And OpenAI is still supporting OpenAI Gym, so that shows its long-term commitment to the project. These are a few of the references that we use to make our paper and this presentation. The video also provides a visual overview of what OpenAI Gym is, so I encourage you all to go through it. And thank you for listening to me, for being patient, and I hope you have an idea of what OpenAI Gym is and how it can be used in your projects for this class. Thank you.